Have you ever needed to grab the text or captions from a YouTube video quickly, but didn't want to waste time transcribing it yourself? In this video, I'm going to show you how to download YouTube subtitles in seconds using a completely free tool called downloadyouTubesubtitles.com. Whether you need them for studying, video editing, or language learning, this is by far the easiest method out there. To get started on your computer, just head over to YouTube and find the video you want. Copy the URL from your browser's address bar. Next, go to downloadyouTubesubtitles.com. Paste that link right into the search box and click the Get Subtitles button. It's literally that simple. If you are on a mobile phone, whether it's an iPhone or an Android, just open the YouTube app, tap the Share button under the video, copy the link, and paste it into the website on your mobile browser. What makes this tool so useful is its flexibility. You can download the transcript as a plain text file, which strips out all the timestamps so you just get the pure, easy-to-read text. Or if you need to upload the captions to a video player, you can download them in standard SRT or VTT formats with highly accurate timing. On top of that, it supports bilingual subtitles in over 100 languages, which is an amazing feature if you're trying to learn a new language. There's no registration or logging required, it works on extremely long videos, and you get unlimited downloads. Now, to be completely transparent, we looked around for user reviews, but there currently aren't any official public reviews or ratings configured for this tool online yet. However, based on our hands-on look at the features, the only real downside is that it's a simple, ad-supported web tool that relies on user support to stay online. If you end up using it a lot, you can bookmark the page or even buy the creator a coffee to help keep it running. Overall, it does exactly what it promises, quickly and safely. Go ahead and try it out at downloadyouTubesubtitles.com. If this quick tutorial helped you save some time today, please give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech guides.